The witness explained that he and Robinson were discussing happenings in the community of Shelter Rock and how men from the community had reportedly murdered a woman close to one of the alleged gangsters. The woman, Paula, was said to have mothered a child for Kevon Green.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification button. Country girl, country boss, nuclear silent. All of the people, I love all of the subscribers. Well, here we go again. This is the One Don trial, and you hear the clip, and it is an outrageous clip. I tell you, the court proceeding really highlight the inner working of the gang. I can't say it no more. This case where Jamaica deal with, I have to give my hats off to the police them. It gives us a first-hand look of how this gang operate. Now, I'm not going to up on the time. I'm going to run the rest of the news clip. And when you can hear how the soldier, now this is an army man, you know. The army man them, you know. And him in the gang. And him a talk about a neighborhood and somebody dead and them have to go deal back with the man them a Shelter Rock and them thing there. How outrageous and crazy this is. Now, another thing I want to talk about, which I did that earlier. The One Don gang is the king of broke badness. Black man is the king of broke badness. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification button and watch the rest of this clip. Now, I'm going to do another video on where them a deal with, because them a work with Obia.
He was the brother of Andre Blackman Bryan, alleged leader of the One Don faction of the gang.
Yo, what go on? Man, them killed Paula, you know. Kevon baby mother. Me a talk to the G last night, you know. I tell him you want to give him a talk. The man them a Shelter Rock. Them not no regard, you know. I saw them coming at the place, come shoot up Tony and them a do them sitting there, you know. Cause them a say nothing now reach them. I no lie. Them a do them thing they cause no retaliation now go on. Anything where the man them see, forget drop, you know. We have 2 sticks we go for 2, you know. 2 tall sticks.
The witness also told the court that sticks were in reference to firearms. Norige Banton for Nationwide News.